Hey guys, it is Mr. Chrome Tech, and today, I will be teaching you how to get any Unity version on your Chromebook with Linux. First, make sure you have Linux turned on. This tutorial will not work without it. Next, go to flatpack.org, and set up Flatpack. This may take a while. Pause the video until you are done. Next, you want to go to flathub.org, or click Install Apps on flatpack.org, and search Unity. Once you do that, Unity should appear. You should click on it, and follow the guide. Pause the video until Unity finishes installing. I am interrupting this video to tell you that I strongly recommend you sending video requests to my email, because I am on my email more than I am on this channel. Here is the email, mrchrometech@hotmail.com. Please send requests there so I can get to know my audience more and learn what they want. Anyways, back into the video. Once Unity finishes, open it up, sign in, and install any version through the hub. Thank you for watching, remember to like and subscribe, and peace out.